Welcome to our ultimate Glasgow travel guide. Now if you're planning a trip to this vibrant Scottish city, and let's be honest, who wouldn't want to? You're in the right place. Glasgow is a city that truly has it all, from stunning architecture to world-class museums, and of course, shopping that would tempt even the most disciplined credit card. So buckle up, grab a cuppa, and let's dive into the top things to do and must-see landmarks in Glasgow. You'll be booking your flights before you know it. First up, we're whisking you away to the magnificent Kelvin Grove Art Gallery and Museum, a Glasgow institution. Imagine a grand Spanish Baroque building right out of a fairy tale nestled in the heart of the city. Well, stop imagining because that's Kelvin Grove. Inside, you'll find a treasure trove of over 8,000 objects from dinosaur skeletons that'll make you feel positively puny to masterpieces by the likes of Rembrandt, Van Gogh, and our very own Glasgow boy Charles Rennie Mackintosh. Speaking of Mackintosh, be sure to check out the dedicated exhibit to his work, showcasing his iconic Art Nouveau style. It's enough to make you want to redesign your entire living room, darling. And the best part, entry to Kelvin Grove is absolutely free. That's right, free as in go in and soak up all that culture without spending a penny. You can thank me later. Next, we're stepping back in time to the awe-inspiring Glasgow Cathedral, a stunning example of Scottish Gothic architecture. This place is ancient, darlings, dating back to the 12th century. They really knew how to build things to last back then, didn't they? As you step inside, prepare to be amazed by the towering stained glass windows, intricate carvings, and a sense of peace that's almost palpable. It's enough to make even the most cynical amongst us believe in a higher power. Be sure to venture down to the lower church, the oldest part of the cathedral, where you can almost hear the whispers of history echoing through the stone walls. And if you're lucky enough to catch a choir practice, well, let's just say you'll be moved in more ways than one. Chapter 3. The Riverside Museum, full steam ahead. Now who fancies a trip down memory lane? Hold on to your hats because we're off to the Riverside Museum, a celebration of all things transport. This architectural marvel, designed by the late, great Zaha Hadid, looks like something straight out of a sci-fi film. But don't be fooled by the futuristic exterior, darlings. Inside, you'll find a nostalgic journey through the history of transport. From vintage cars that'll make you wish you were born in a different era to steam locomotives that once chugged across the Scottish Highlands, the Riverside Museum is a feast for the senses. And for the young, and the young at heart, there are plenty of interactive displays to keep those hands busy. Who doesn't love a good toot on a vintage car horn? Chapter 4. Buchanan Street, Shop Till You Drop. Now let's talk about something close to all our hearts, shall we? Shopping. And there's no better place to indulge in a little retail therapy than Buchanan Street, Glasgow's bustling shopping paradise. From high street favorites to designer boutiques, Buchanan Street has something to tempt every wallet, even if it's just a cheeky wee souvenir. But Buchanan Street is more than just a shopping destination. It's a vibrant hub of activity, with street performers, musicians, and artists adding to the lively atmosphere. So, grab your credit cards, or maybe just your debit card, let's be sensible. Put on your comfiest shoes, and get ready to experience the heart of Glasgow's shopping scene. Chapter 5. Glasgow Botanic Gardens, a breath of fresh air. After all that shopping and sightseeing, you've earned yourself a little relaxation, wouldn't you say? And where better to escape the hustle and bustle than the tranquil oasis of Glasgow Botanic Gardens? Step inside the stunning Victorian glasshouses, home to exotic plants from all corners of the globe. You'll feel like you've been transported to a tropical rainforest without having to endure a long-haul flight. Stroll through the rose gardens, breathe in the sweet scent of countless blooms, and let the peace and tranquility wash over you. It's enough to make you forget you're in the heart of a bustling city. Oh, and did I mention the Botanic Gardens are absolutely free to enter? Yet another reason to add this green gem to your Glasgow itinerary. Outro. See you in Scotland. Thanks for watching our Glasgow travel guide. We hope we've inspired you to add this incredible city to your travel bucket list. From its rich history and culture to its friendly locals and vibrant atmosphere, Glasgow truly has something for everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides, and most importantly, have an amazing trip.